everyone, hope you're okay. Today in maths we're going to be thinking about number bonds to 8 and 9. So making sure our bond knowledge is really secure before we move on to our new learning all about subtraction. So like we did the other day, whenever you watched your video about number 6 and 7, we need some toys again to help us. Some of you may not, but some of you might do. So go and get some toys. And you need to have 8 of them with you now. So whether that be Lego, cars, dolls, whatever you need to use, go and get it so that it can help you with these activities. Some of you might not need it. You might just know some numbers that make 8 and 9, which is fantastic. Okay, but for those that do, that's absolutely fine as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring some of these counters down here. So we've got 1, 2, 3 on this side. So how many is going to be on my other toadstool? What is my other part going to be? So using the toys that you've got or counting these counters, some of you might even just know the number. What is it going to be? Let's count it together. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put our part in there as 5. Okay, so what I want you to do is come up with a different way, because there's lots of ways to make 8. So come up with a different way to make 8, whether that be you just know 2 numbers or you need to use your toys. That's absolutely fine. I'll put mine back so I can do another way. So pause the video if you need a little bit more time. If not, I'm going to show you another way. So I'm going to put 1 there. So I'm going to write 1 there. What is my other part going to be? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know 1 and 7 make 8. Well done if you got the same as me, but I'm sure you got lots of others. So don't forget you can send it all to me at the end. Let's have a look at a number problem. So here we have a number problem. It says there are 8 pencils, 5 are sharp, how many are not? And our cherry diagram is currently empty. So we need to fill it in, but we don't know what the whole is and we don't know what the parts are. So we're having to use this word problem and these pictures to help us. It says there are 8. So I'm going to underline 8 because that's a clue. Pencils. 5 are sharp. How many are not? So my whole is going to be the biggest number, isn't it? Because that's how many we've got all together. So I know that's 8. So if my whole is 8, and I know 5 are sharp, that's one of the parts. So I need to work out the other part. So some of you may have used the picture, but again, some of you might know what goes with 5 to make 8. It is 3. Well done if you got that one right. So now it's over to you of ways to make 8. So filling in the blank, the question mark, all ways to make 8. So pause the video and have a go, and then press play, and the answers will then be followed. Okay. So here we have the answers. So give yourselves a tick if you got them right, a dot if you didn't, and maybe have a look as to why you didn't. Okay, and then again, after we've done bonds to 9, you'll be able to send that on to me. So bonds to 9. So again, we've got our toadstools, so let's find a way to make 9. So if you need to get your toys, go and get them now. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. So how many does that leave for the other side? What goes with 6 to make 9? It is 1, 2, 3. So I can put 3 on this side. So well done if you got that right. So again, pause the video, have a go at doing one on your own, and then I will do another one myself. But like I said, there are lots of different ways to do it. So you might come up with more than one, and it might be the same as mine, it might not be. So this time I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. If I put 4 there, what's my other part going to be? How many counters do I have left? Let's count them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my other part is 5. I wonder if you got the same as me or if you got different. Don't forget you need to send it all on at the end of the video. So this time we've got a problem, but we haven't got any words. We've just got a picture and we've got to kind of work it out. And again, we've got a blank cherry diagram and a blank hole model. So we've got to fill in the whole and the parts. So to work out the whole, I'm going to add them all up together, and then I can work out my parts. So pause the video if you want and have a go. If you're not sure, then just keep watching and we'll do it together. So my whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 flags, 9 pieces of bunting. I'll put that in my bar model as well. Now, to work out the parts, looking at that picture, I've got some stripes and some spots. So I know that one part is going to be the stripes and the other part is going to be the spots. So how many stripes do we have? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 as a part there and in our bar model as well. And then spots, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that 5 and 4 makes 9. Well done if you did that by yourself, or if you did it with me as well. Give yourselves a little round of applause. Next one then. Okay, so we've got our bar model here. A part is 4 and a part is 5, but the whole is missing. What is the whole? Remembering a part add a part equals a whole. It is 9. Well done. Okay, so over to you again. You need to pause the video and work out what the question marks are in these number sentences. Use your toys if you need to. If you don't, fantastic. Just keep trying your best. And here we have the answers. So the question mark is now replaced with the red number, so you know what it is. Okay, now don't forget to send it your work through Tapestry. I do look forward to seeing what you've been up to and how you've been getting on. And it shows me who can remember their number bonds, which I'm sure most of you can because we have done lots of this in school as well. Okay, take care everybody.